like you can't see the words on it anymore. That's how badly it was getting broken and ground up. Today we're doing a review and talking about the SainSmart TPU, 1.75 millimeter TPU, and I have a lot of really interesting things to say about this. So let's talk about the basics. It's an 800-gram spool. It is this cool neon color. What you need to know is it is ultra strong and remains flexible and abrasion resistant, which makes it perfect for like cell phone cases, that kind of thing. Or if you're me and you test RC cars on high speed runs, a protector for this GPS speed sensor, which was getting ground, like you might be able to see, like you can't see the words on it anymore. That's how badly it was getting broken and ground up. And I'm trying to think of a use case, a really good use case other than a cell phone case for this TPU. And it's supposed to be super abrasive resistant. And as you can see, it remains flexible even after you print it, and you can't tear it, break it. I was like, let's make a case for this. And I found a print. I printed this out and I skidded this along the concrete at over 60 miles an hour more than once. And look at it. It is still completely solid, in great condition. I have to say, if you're looking to protect something, a cell phone case, a piece of electronics, maybe a GoPro, something like that, or you're building something that needs to be super tough, this is ridiculously perfect. You could see it printing. It was so easy to print with. I had no issues whatsoever. The only issue that I will share with you is there's definitely, I did not find too many TPU specific prints or print settings. So I was using just your basic PLA settings. And as a result, it's a little stringy, but prints out just fine. Like here's what you can see what it looks like. Just to be completely faithful and honest with you, this is exactly how it came out of the printer. 2 minutes it'll take to clean up these strings. No big deal whatsoever. Here's another view of just how flexible this is. Look at that. Ready? Perfect. How cool is that? That is awesome. I'm telling you, of all my 3D print stuff, this is about the most fun stuff I have found yet. It is just so cool. Anyway, I have no negatives. I am in love with this. If you are looking for a super, super tough, easy to work with print, this is definitely the way to go. Nothing else to say about it. I hope this was helpful. We will see you next time.